This video is for the 8th grade research presentation assignment 1, find a database. First, you're going to go to hmslibrarymedia.weebly.com. You're going to rest your pointer over where it says resources, and you're going to click online databases. Next, what you're going to do is click on the first database, which is Gale Databases Full Suite. And from here, you're going to type in your topic in order to search for it. So, for example, I'm just going to type in year-round school and hit enter. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to need to filter your results. So you're going to check off where it says full text. And then what you're going to do next is it's just going to take a moment for it to reload. And then make sure that full text is checked off once it reloads. And then you're going to click where it says sort by newest and choose relevance. So that way it's going to give you full text articles and not just summaries of articles and stuff that is relevant to your topic. So not every article is going to be good. I'm going to click on this one since it actually has year-round schooling in the title. So I'm just going to click on that. And next what we're going to do is we're going to bookmark that article. Make sure that it's an article that has information that you can use though before you bookmark it. So click on bookmark, and then you're going to click and drag to highlight under where it says copy the bookmark URL. And you'll hit Control and C on your keyboard in order to copy it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, and from here you're going to go to drive.google.com, and you're going to open up a new Google slideshow. So you'll go ahead and click on the new button once it appears on the left-hand side, and from here you'll click on Google Slides. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to type in a title. So for example, I might do mine on why we should have year-round school or no year-round school. So it's just taking a moment to load. All right, and eventually I'll be able to type. So I'm just going to do why we shouldn't have year-round school. And then you're going to type in your name underneath where it says click to add subtitle. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a theme, and you'll just scroll on the right-hand side in order to choose a theme. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on a theme that I like. And next, what we're going to do is share it with your partner. So once it loads up the theme, you'll just go ahead and click on the share button in the top right corner. And you'll type in your partner's email address. First, you'll have to click save. And it's taking a moment to load. Sorry about the wait, folks. So anyway, what you'll end up doing is you will type in your partner's email address, and then you'll just send it to them. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add another slide by clicking on the plus sign, and you're just going to click where it says click to add text, and you're going to paste that bookmark that you copied, so Control V on the keyboard, and it's going to pop up with that link. Now just hit the space bar, and that's going to make it so that you can actually click on it, and it'll come up with a blue link that you could use to go back to your website. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add a new slide, and you're going to try to come up with main ideas on why you shouldn't have or should have whatever idea you're doing. So, for example, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click back over to my my article, and what I want to do is I want to have some reasons against year-round school. So, one of the things that I might choose to do here is I might choose to find a fact against year-round school. So, here's an example right here. Ohio State University sociology professor and Arizona State professor show little academic improvement for the year-round programs that have been tried. So what I'm going to do right here is I can copy and paste, but you're going to have to change it into your own words. I'm just going to highlight that, copy it, And I'm just going to title it Reasons for Students, because we could have reasons for students and teachers. And then right here, I'm just going to click and I'm going to do Control V on my keyboard. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into my own words. So for example, I might say something like Jean Glass, and then comma, professor at Arizona State. So once again, putting it in my own words, but taking the idea from somewhere else. We'll say, did a study on year-round school that showed little improvement. In academics. So instead of saying academic improvement, we're saying little improvement in academics. And so then what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put in the last name of the person who wrote the article. So you'll find that if you click back to the article and then go scroll down to the very bottom. It was written by Charles Clark, so we're going to put Clark, and it was written in 2010. So then for our citation at the end, we're going to do open parentheses, which is Shift and 9. So put in Clark 2010, and then close parentheses and a period. So basically what we're doing is we're using somebody else's ideas and then giving them credit, and I'm just going to erase the stuff that I copied and pasted from here. And basically what you want to do is you want to use both the website resource that you found as well as the database website that you found. So in order to get back to your website resource, of course, you can probably find it on Google from what you used a few classes ago. And what you want to do is, in that case, if you are going to use something from your other website. So let's just say, for example, I happen to have used this website right here. If I were going to do that, because of the fact that it might not have a person's name, I would just write the name of the company, which would be Scholastic. So for example, if I took a fact from Scholastic, and I'm just going to type some gibberish here, I would do open parentheses and then do Scholastic, and whatever year the website was created. So I think this one was created in 2015, but you always want to check on the website, and that's how you would do your arguments with parenthetical citations where you give credit.